Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 3. I said I would do it 2 different ways how to make this, and the first way I did it only if you have Corel 2018, which a lot of people don't. I just got this last week. So I'm going to do it without 2018, and this might even be a better way anyway. If you haven't watched parts 1 or 2, you might want to watch them so you kind of understand. I made a copy of my leaves. I've skewed them a little bit. I'm going to Control D. I'm going to put them here, and I'm actually going to make them a little smaller. And I'm actually going to rotate them a little bit like this. This is the way I've done it for a long time. Evidently don't have those grouped together. We need to Control G. They need to be grouped together. Yep, Control G and make them group together. I'm actually going to take and use effect of blend, and I'm going to grab both these and I'm going to blend 10 of them and hit apply, and they progressively got smaller. Let's make it a little bit different. Let's make it a little bit smaller still so you can really see that. Now, it doesn't put along my path, but right now I don't care. I don't need 20 of them, I only need 10. And there's a way to set that. That's not enough. One thing I do like about the blend tool, you don't have to go backwards. You can just add a couple and hit apply. Let's add 2 more. There's your set of leaves. Now, the only difference in the blend tool, you have to go to Object and break them apart if you want to rotate some of those to have a different color showing, like I did on the second video, where you could go up here and ungroup all objects, and you could actually mirror those, and this might even be quicker, and you could change a lot of it. You could rotate them, and you don't need to do anything to path. Now you just need to take and put along this line. Matter of fact, let's just do this. Let's zoom in here. Let's take our 3-point curve and go from there to there. Well, it's pretty much a good fit as it is. That's good enough. Let's make that line thicker. Let's make it 4 points. Just for chance, I'm going to scale with object. Now I'm going to duplicate all this. Control G and group it together. Control D and make a duplicate of it and flip it. Now it's not going to flip perfect because it's not on the same angle. But you can move your rotation to here and move your blend your leaves up to here. That looks a little bit funny in the middle with the but not really. You know what would be kind of cool right now would be to take your Smart Fill tool and fill in a few. It's going to leak. Well, that doesn't even look half bad. It is. But you could fill in some of these spots with color, or you could take your shape tool. Of course, you'd have to break it apart. But for the video, we're going to call that good. We're going to Control G. We're going to straighten this guy up a little bit. We're going to Control D. And then we're going to mimic it this way. Now I'm going to skew it over, nudge it over. It doesn't really matter how many leaves are in the middle or not. That looks pretty good. Now we're progressively getting bigger to smaller, but that's the way a plant would grow. Control G and group them together. Now get our envelope tool and start playing with it. Make it into whatever shape you want. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.